Have you ever wondered why your joints ache and what you can do to relieve the discomfort? Joints, the connecting points between bones, are incredibly important to our overall health. They facilitate movement and provide support to our bodies, enabling us to perform everyday tasks with ease. However, these vital structures can be affected by various conditions and factors. Arthritis, for instance, is a common ailment that causes inflammation and pain in the joints. Degeneration, too, is a frequent issue, often brought on by aging or injury, that leads to a gradual wear and tear of the joints. This degeneration can cause discomfort, limit our mobility, and severely impact our quality of life. It's a reality that many of us face, but here's the good news: there's something we can do about it. But did you know that targeted exercise can breathe new life into your old joints? Let's delve deeper into this topic and explore how we can rejuvenate our joints through exercise. Scene script: exercise isn't just about building muscles and losing weight. It's also crucial for maintaining healthy joints. Picture this: your joints are like hinges connecting bone to bone, allowing you to bend, twist, and move freely. But what keeps these hinges working smoothly? The answer is a substance called synovial fluid. This is your body's natural joint lubricant, reducing friction and preventing wear and tear. But the production of this crucial fluid is not a static process. It can be influenced by various factors, and one of the most effective is regular exercise. So, how does exercise make a difference? When you move your joints through exercise, the amount of synovial fluid in the joint capsule increases. This fluid is rich in nutrients and oxygen, which are vital for the health of the cartilage and other joint tissues. More fluid means better lubrication and less friction, leading to smoother, pain-free movement. But the benefits of exercise for joint health don't stop there. Regular physical activity also strengthens the muscles surrounding your joints. Imagine your muscles as a support system, acting like a brace to protect and stabilize your joints. Stronger muscles mean less strain on your joints, reducing the risk of injury and degeneration. Now, you might be thinking, what if I already have joint problems? Won't exercise just make it worse? It's a common misconception, but the truth is, exercise can actually help alleviate joint pain and stiffness. Low-impact activities like swimming, cycling, or yoga can increase flexibility, improve range of motion, and boost your overall joint health without causing further damage. However, it's important to remember that not all exercises are created equal when it comes to joint health. It's about finding the right balance and the right type of exercise that suits your body and your specific joint health needs. So remember, keeping your joints healthy is not just about what you eat or the supplements you take. It's about moving, stretching, and strengthening your body through regular exercise. Now, let us delve into the specific exercises that can help rejuvenate your joints. Scene script: here are some simple exercises you can do at home to improve your joint health. Firstly, let's talk about knee extensions. This exercise strengthens the muscles that support your knees, reducing strain on the joint. To do this, sit in a chair with both feet flat on the floor. Slowly extend one leg out in front of you, keeping it level with your hip. Hold for 5 seconds, then slowly lower your foot back to the floor. Repeat this 10 times on each leg, aiming for 2 to 3 sets every day. Next up, we have shoulder rolls. This exercise increases the flexibility of your shoulder joints and the strength of surrounding muscles. Stand straight and roll your shoulders up, back, and down in a smooth circular motion. Do this 10 times, then reverse the direction. Aim to do this exercise twice a day. The ankle circles exercise is great for your ankle joints. Sit comfortably and extend one leg out in front of you. Rotate your ankle clockwise 10 times, then counterclockwise 10 times. Switch to the other leg and repeat. Do this exercise 2 to 3 times a day. Hand and finger stretches are beneficial for your wrist and finger joints. Extend your arm out in front of you with your palm facing down. Gently pull the fingers of your extended hand back towards your body using your other hand. Hold this position for about 20 seconds, then release. Repeat with the other hand. Aim for 5 to 10 repetitions on each hand, twice a day. The hip marches exercise is excellent for your hip joints. Stand behind a chair for support and march on the spot, lifting your knees as high as you can. Do this for 1 minute, then rest. Aim to do this exercise 2 to 3 times a day. Elbow bends are beneficial for your elbow joints. Stand or sit comfortably. Extend your arms out to the sides with your palms facing up. Bend your elbows, bringing your hands towards your shoulders. Extend your arms back out. Do this exercise 10 times, twice a day. The neck stretch is great for your neck joints. Sit or stand straight, then slowly tilt your head towards one shoulder until you feel a gentle stretch. Hold for 20 seconds, then slowly return your head to the center. Repeat on the other side. Aim to do this exercise 3 to 5 times on each side, twice a day. And lastly, the back arch, also known as the cat-camel exercise, is fantastic for your spine. Start on all fours, then slowly arch your back towards the ceiling like a cat, tucking your chin into your chest. Hold for 5 seconds, then slowly lower your back down, lifting your chin and chest towards the ceiling like a camel. Repeat this 10 times, twice a day. But remember, while doing these exercises, listen to your body. If any exercise causes pain or discomfort, stop and consult a healthcare professional. It's also important to start slow and gradually increase the intensity and frequency of these exercises as your body gets used to them. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results from these exercises. You might be wondering, how does exercise help improve joint health? Well, let's delve into the fascinating world of science that explains this correlation. At the heart of this relationship is a substance known as synovial fluid. This fluid serves as the lubricant within our joints, ensuring they can move smoothly and painlessly. When you exercise, your body responds by increasing the production of this essential fluid. This is a bit like oiling a rusty hinge. The more lubrication there is, the easier it is for the joint to function. Now, imagine the synovial fluid as a tiny army of workers busily repairing and rebuilding your joints. Every time you exercise, you're essentially sending more workers to the site, boosting the repair and maintenance process. This is why regular exercise can help slow the progression of joint-related conditions like osteoarthritis. Next, let's talk about inflammation. This is your body's natural response to injury, but when it gets out of control, it can lead to pain and damage in your joints. Exercise plays a crucial role here too. Regular physical activity has been found to lower levels of inflammatory markers in the body. Think of it as a natural, inbuilt anti-inflammatory medication that you can access just by moving your body. Lastly, exercise promotes flexibility. By regularly moving your joints through their full range of motion, you're helping to maintain and even improve their flexibility. This is particularly important as we age, as our joints naturally become stiffer and less flexible over time. In a nutshell, exercise works on multiple levels to enhance joint health. It boosts the production of synovial fluid, reduces inflammation, and promotes joint flexibility. Regular physical activity is like a multifaceted toolkit, offering a range of benefits to keep your joints healthy and functioning optimally. So, exercise doesn't just make you feel good, it's scientifically proven to improve your joint health. So, there you have it. Exercise is a simple, effective way to breathe new life into your old joints. Indeed, as we've discussed throughout this video, maintaining an active lifestyle plays a crucial role in promoting joint health. Certain exercises, when performed regularly, can stimulate the production of synovial fluid, the natural lubricant in our joints. This can help reduce stiffness, increase mobility, and ultimately enhance our overall quality of life. The science is clear. Exercise not only strengthens the muscles that support our joints, but also contributes to healthier, more functional joints. It's not just about being active, but being smart about the way we move our bodies. Remember the step-by-step guide we shared for joint-healthy exercises. Incorporating those into your routine can be a game changer. Remember, your joints are designed to move, so keep moving to keep them healthy. Until next time, take care of your joints and they'll take care of you.